This is feedback where I have Rasheedi. First of all, format. You don't have this in Times New Roman. You don't have this double space. You need to have a page number and your ID number in this corner. You need to go back to the video talking about how to format on Edpuzzle. You need to watch it. You need to fix this. If you don't, you're really going to not pass. I can assure you. Your intro here is really short. So to make this longer, answer the question why. So, why is this a global issue? What is happening? Talking about the increase in people, increase in cars, people are driving more, cities are growing. Talk about all these things in your intro. That will make it longer and make it more powerful. So why are car accidents happening more? What's changing with the people? P means punctuation. You have a comma here, and that should be a full stop. And you do that throughout your essay. So make all the changes to that. Here in the body paragraph, be specific, just like we talked about in class. Say something like, after you give your topic sentence, say, the first reason why not following the law can lead to car accidents is blank. Make your point. Give support. Point, support, point, support, point, support, concluding sentence. You have to follow that format. P, punctuation, transition. You have transitions through all of them. ACA means academic. Is this academic? Saying another thing? No, that's not academic. We don't say stuff like that. Another reason. Something like that. Again, such as is not too bad, but still, you can be a little bit more academic. These two sentences were a little unclear. That's what I was saying here. So these need to be fixed. Again, academic. We don't talk about you and I and we and okay at all. This is not how we talk in an academic essay. Second body paragraph. This doesn't need to be there. Again, this is unrelated, this paragraph, these two sentences in this paragraph. Unrelated, meaning how does that have to do with causing car accidents? What does that have to do with anything? It's not related. In your concluding paragraph, WW, wrong word. They should mark the speed bumps or clearly mark the speed bumps, something like that. And make the changes uploaded to port 1 WR1 week 7.